Welcome back guys. In this video I am going to explain that how you can add inline styling to a React component. For that purpose in this video I'm only going to use the JavaScript object through which we can add the styling to our React component, but in coming videos I will be explaining and talking more about adding CSS to HTML documents. Okay, so first go into your render method, and inside this I'm going to create a constant. Let me name it styling. Okay, and for this styling first I'm going to create a variable with the name of div background. Okay, and inside div background I would be creating a variable with the name of background, and I'm going to name it I'm going to put the value inside it sky below. And the second thing that I'm going to have here is the text align to center. Okay, now I'm going to create another object inside styling object. That would be our h1 object, and for h1 object I'm going to create the values. I'm only going to set the font size, and this would be equal to like 60 pixels. Okay, as you already know that these are the simple CSS attribute, and this is the way how we can write these attribute inside JavaScript file. So if you don't know about the fact that how we can write that different kind of CSS attribute inside Java, then I encourage you guys to go onto any search engine and find out how you can write different kind of HTML, different kind of CSS attribute inside JavaScript. So this is just another way to writing the text line inside JavaScript. Okay, now I'm going to call this object inside this div. So now I'm going to use the styling inside the div. To apply the style, I would be using the styling. And as you already know, if we want to use the JavaScript inside CSS, then we have to use the curly braces. And here I will be using the styling, then styling dot div bg. Okay, now let me set the style for h1 as well, as we have created it. So this would be styling dot h1. Okay, there you go. Now if I save it and go back into our browser, okay, there you go. You can see that we have added the style to our application. So in this way you can simply add an inline styling to your React component. If I inspect it, you would see that from here that styling has been added to our HTML elements as well. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video, where I will be talking about how you can use the external CSS file into your React component. So see you guys in the next video.